Okay, let's get started. I'm going to show you how to cut an onion tearlessly. I cut the onion in half and then I peeled the outer edges off of it. Now I go down here and I just give it a little slit like that. Use your cutting board all the time because that absorbs the juice and it won't splash your eyes. And you just make those cuts and then you cut it nice like that. And it's all set. You don't have to go crazy. Now we're doing our carrots. They're a little heavy on one side, then just give it a little slit down there, cut it like that. You want nice sized pieces. Okay, coat the bottom of the pan, a nice coating of olive oil, and throw in, what did I say? How much? 1 tablespoon, right? 2 tablespoons of butter into it. And get that heated up. Okay, our butter has melted into the olive oil. I'm going to put in my onions. And we're going to just okay, we don't want to get this brown. We just want to sweat it a little. Saute it a little salt to it, and a little nice hot pepper, just a few flakes because they're not too crazy about that. And now it's been about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to throw my carrots in, and I'm going to sweat these. And what I mean by sweating, get them like this, and then you put the cover on like that. And that's it. You sweat them until they get a little tender. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes. It's been sweating. And I tested with a fork and they're still a little hard. That's good. Now what I'm going to do is a little trick. If you have some chicken stock laying around, you use it. I put a little bit of this in here right now. And we're going to get some chicken stock flavor into those carrots. And we're gonna let that simmer until the chicken stock is gone and back to oil again. Okay, as you can see, all that chicken stock is evaporated, but the flavor is in those carrots. If you don't want chicken stock and you want to use just plain water, you can make it a vegetarian dish. Now what we're going to do is we got it back to oil again. We're going to throw in our peas. I took about 1 pound of peas. And we're going to saute this a little bit. Sweat it a little. And then I'm going to add a little more chicken stock to that to get those nice and tender. I'm going to sweat this right now. Okay, now this has been sweating a little while and you see we're back to oil again. Now what we're going to do is the same thing we did for the carrots. I'm going to add a little of this chicken stock. And like I said, if you want to use water to make a vegetarian, maybe use some of your pasta water. And we'll let that absorb some of that chicken stock and reduce it. Okay, so we reduced that a little bit and we got everything nice and tender now. I'm sorry about that phone call during that. Now I'm going to throw in can of red kidney beans, rinsed off. And I'm going to put in a little more of that chicken stock or pasta water. And we're going to let that heat up till the beans are heated up a little bit. Okay, we're all done. We cooked about 1 pound of baby shells. And we'll put this all on top. And you can have this cold or hot. It's a good summer dish. If you want to use it even as a side. Spread it around a little. Look how pretty that looks. And now we'll just drizzle a little olive oil on it. And serve it with a lot of grated cheese. take this out, then you take. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Have a nice day.